Okay, consider having a particle or an object located at position X. X is here. We plot X versus time. This is the position curve. What we want to do is compute the displacement of the object, which is the change in position, delta X, where delta X is equal to x2 minus x1. And in order to get the average velocity, we also need the time interval delta t. Delta t is t2 minus t1. To compute the velocity, the average velocity, it's over the interval delta t. We get delta x divided by delta t equal to x2 minus x1 divided by t2 minus t1. We see that that's this slope of this chord, this line starting connecting t1 to t2. And this slope is the average velocity.